Fiverlytics. What is Fiverlytics, guys? In this video, I am going to tell you this amazing website called Fiverlytics.com. The pronunciation, I can pronounce it like Fiverlytics or Fiverlytics, or you can pronounce it your own. But for the best pronunciation, I would find here is Fiverlytics. So in this video, I am going to tell you what is this and how you can use this website to grow your Fiverr business, how you can rank your gig on the front page, how you can target the keyword, and if you are the new seller, then how you can target the keyword ad and rank your gig onto the front page and get as much as orders you want. So stay tuned in this video. Let's get started.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So Fiverlytics, guys, Fiverlytics.com, that you can find the link into the description below, and I will cover all the aspects which these websites are giving. So basically what they are giving you, or what is this website all about. So basically this website gives you the analytics of the Fiverr. That is why it is called the Fiverlytics. So in this website, what you can find here, the homepage and the Fiverr tool. This is the both tools are very amazing, and I will tell you step by step process how you can use these tools and target your gig keyword, or you can rank your gig by using this two tools, and rest of the things are is as a normal website, the blogs, the resources where you can find the forum, videos, seminar courses, and workshops, and the about page and the contact page. And you can use your own account to use these all tools. So account creation is totally free of cost on this website. You don't have to pay anything for now, and later on if they make it paid, then we should think about it, but for now this website is free of cost, so you can use this website to rank your gig. So let's, without wasting time, let's jump into the tools. So first tool here is the keyword analytics. What is this? I'll just click on this keyword analytics and let me show you what it have in this option. So what I have to do is I have to just target my keyword, on which keyword I want to rank my gig. For an example, I want to rank my gig on money online. Money. Let me very specific. I will be not very much specific. I will be keep it open. So I would like to rank my gig on money. Let's just click on the analyze, and it will give you the entire data from the Fiverr itself. And you see here the basic information. In the basic information you are getting the idea that how many gigs are available on the Fiverr as your competition for the money keyword. Here there are 1903 total number of gigs, and the Fiverr choice is 1, the pro seller is 1, and they are not offering any feature gig and the extra gig. The total number of sellers for current time being is 6. The new arrival sellers are 4. And here you can see the red is showing the no level, and the yellow one is the 1, and the blue is the level 2, and the green one is the top rated. So how you can use this database? If your target keyword is having so many number of seller on the level 1 and level 2, so there are chances for you is very low that your gig will be ranked on the page number 1. So what you have to do, you have to find the keyword where this red one is bigger. So once the new seller are there, then you also get a chance that your gig will get promoted automatically onto the page number 1. So here the number of seller is 18, the level 1 seller is 9, and 20 are the level 2 sellers, while the top rated is only 1. Rest of the guys are the new arrivals, and here the best part here is the buyer rating. Also you can see the highest rating they have given is 5, and the average rating they have given is 4.6, 4.86. Now again, the best part of this website, the amazing part of this website, you can say, it's the gig pricing. You can get an idea of your keyword, how much the highest price of your gig you can put and how much is the lowest. So we are not chasing the lowest price because many of these sellers are just putting the $5 to attract the buyers. So this is a worthless thing. Every time whatever keyword you are having, that one any one of the seller will start selling for the $5, so it is not relevant. We should target on this. The highest price is 650. That means the average price we are coming here is 66. So you should target around. You can start your selling your gig in with this price, and you can increase up to this price. So this is how it will help you. And another best part is the countries. So you can find which country is selling the gig most. Here in India it is 6, and in United States it's 12, Indonesia is 3, and Pakistan is having 4 gig. So you can see here that most of the guys are from US, and next is from India. This is how you can target your keyword. And the next part, the gig rank checker, I will make a separate video on this because this will have an amazing tool. So in the next video we will gonna talk about on this. Stay tuned for the next video. Please keep sharing our videos. If you like this content, please hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel. I will keep posting videos on how to make money online. Thank you.